Good evening, everyone. So we are going to talk about the distinct quadratic factor. Actually, this is just an additional example for us to discuss. And yeah, let's start. So in non-repeating quadratic factor or distinct quadratic factor in partial fractions integration, you just need to see if one of the equations are quadratic. So pag inani, since walay nag-repeat na quadratic, automatic that is non-repeated na quadratic partial fractions integration. So, to solve this one, we have, of course, constants, di ba? So, ang first constant nato, gamitan nato si x minus 3. And then, si quadratic factor, gamitan nato og, since that's quadratic, so, according to the rule, that should be bx plus c over x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay? So, if we're going to multiply them with the current, so that's x minus 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 5. So, ang mabilin diri would be 7x squared plus 15x plus 22 is equal to a times x squared plus 4x plus 5, okay, plus bx plus c times x minus 3. So, nga ng bx plus c, okay? It's because, again, this is non-repeating na quadratic. So, bx plus c gid yang constant. Always, okay? So, later on, sa repeated pod na quadratic, we will find out unsa ang mga constants sa kinahanglan nato. So, karon focus sa kadiriya. So, for this one, we are going to find the constants a, b, and c in order for us to get the integration of the function given here. So if you're going to substitute, no, or multiply, so ax squared plus 4ax, that's plus 5a plus, okay, that's bx squared minus 3bx plus cx minus 3c. Yan. Okay, so start po tayo sa at x squared. At x squared, we have dito 7. Sa kabila, we have a. So, mark natin siya ng red. So, x squared is a and b. So, that's a plus b. Okay? So, si x2 naman po are at x raised to the power of 1. So, we have here, si blue is 15, is equal to, sa kabila, we have x lang tayo, diba? X raised to 1, that's 4a and 3b, right? And also, c. So, this is 4a minus 3b plus c. Ayan po yung at x1. How about at x0? At x to the power of 0, that's 1, right? Anything that is raised to 0 is just equivalent to 1. So, therefore, constant yan siya. So, that's 22 is equal to, okay, this is constant, right? 5a, ano pa bang kulang? And 3c. So, ito na lang sila yung kulang minus 3c. Okay? So, how are we going to get the constants po dito? So, to get the constants, actually, pwede natin gawin at x is equal to 3. Try natin. At x equals 3, para ma-0 yung bx plus is makuha natin si a. So, that is 7 times 3 squared. So, 7 times 3 squared plus 15 times 3 plus 22 is equal to, ito 0 na to siya, cancel out. So, ito is a times 3 squared plus 12, tama, plus 5 plus 0. Okay, this is 9 times 7, that is 63 plus 45 plus 22 is equal to 9 plus 12, 21 plus 5, that's 26A. So this is 63 plus 45 plus 22 divided by 26. So you have our A as equal to 5. Okay? So we can already substitute dito, no? Substitute natin si A. This is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So A is equal to 5. Underline natin para di tayo malito later. So 7 is equal to 5 plus B. So B natin is 2, right? 7 minus 5. So we have B. Underline natin. So we have A, we have B, so we can get C here or here, any of the following. So pwede natin gawin, kunin natin si C dito na lang para mas madali, right? At equation 3, given A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. So therefore, 22 is equal to 5 times 5 minus 3C. So this is 22 is equal to 25 minus 3C. So 22 minus 25, or gawin natin si 3C sa kabila para positive siya. 25 minus 22, so that's 3. So C is equal to 1. So dito din natin siya i-substitute sa equation 2, si A at si B, you will still get the same constant. So we have A is 5, B is 2, and C is equal to negative 1. That's it. So since we already have decomposed ng term. So we have already decomposed na partial fraction na to ang kanina equation into these constants here. So we are going to rewrite them. So that is 5. Diba A natin is 5. So that's 5 over x minus 3 dx. Plus, si B natin is 2. X plus 1. Ang C po natin is 1, right? And ang denominator natin is x squared plus 4x plus 5 dx. Alright. So, how are we going to integrate? Actually, we can integrate this one. However, this one is a little bit, it's somehow problematic. Hindi problematic. So, let's try to integrate that as 5 over x minus 3 dx plus. So, if I'm going to integrate 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x, kasi pag i-let u natin siya, let u natin, di ba, x squared plus 4x plus 5, let u natin, so ang du over dx natin dyan, or du natin, is 2x plus 4 dx. Okay, so para later, mas dali na to ma-integrate ang kani na equation, mangita tawag pamaagi na natin 2x plus 4. So mangita tawag 2x plus 4. Pero, since this is plus 1, so mag-minus po taog 3 dira, dx, over x squared plus 4x plus 5. Ano man na? Kasi again, this is our goal. Nasa natin 2x plus 4 para mag-UDU taon niya, mas dali siya ma-integrate. Tapos, later on, this is 5 over x minus 3 dx. We can actually separate x squared plus 4x plus 5 minus 3 over x squared plus 4x plus 5 dx. Pwede natin gawin yan, right? Wala naman tayong nilabag. We did not violate any rule in algebra. So, that would be 5 ln of x minus 3. So, ito siya. Ang u natin dito is x squared plus 4x plus 5. So, du is 2x plus 4 dx. So, if we're going to use substitution there, that's du over u minus, ito siya, pwede natin gawin dito is i-separate natin. So, pwede natin gawin is factor out x plus 2 squared. So, ano naman na siya class o x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. So, kaning 4x plus 4 plus 1, pwede na to siya, kanion o. So plus, this is ln of u minus 3 dx over x plus 2 squared plus 1. All right, and now we actually know that this is arctan. Remember arctan? So therefore, this would be equivalent to unsa gani ang arctan. Ang arctan na integration is just, di ba, ano, du over 1 plus u squared is arctan of u plus c. Okay, or kung a na siya, a squared plus u squared, that's 1 over a, arctan of u over a plus c. So, ang atong x man ni siya, dahil no, pwede rin nag-x, pwede rin nag-u. So, ang atong a diri is 1, ang atong x dira is x plus 2. So, therefore, this is just equal to 5 ln of x minus 3 plus ln of, what is our u? That's x squared plus 4x plus 5 minus, okay? So, this is just equivalent to 3. Labas natin si 3. Then, 1 over a. Okay, a natin is 1. So, 1 na lang. Natin butangan dala, no? Then, arctan x plus 2 over 1. Or still, that's x plus 2 plus our constant. This is our final answer. Okay? All right. So, let's move to the next example, which is the repeated na quadratic. So, there is a repeated na quadratic class is actually medyo may similarity, pero the only thing that we need to do here or that we need to change here is, for example, kana 8dx. So, of course, may mo na siya og a. Of course, ang first factor niya is x plus, okay? Di ba naman na siya class? Ang first is x squared plus 2. So, isa ka quadratic na siya. That's x squared plus 2. Pero since that is quadratic, we should do bx plus c dyan. Okay? Bx plus c. Tapos, pag abot sa pikas, may mo siya dx plus e over, may mo pa na siya x squared plus 2. Sir, nga ng dx plus e? It is because this is kay it's another constant, right? So that's A, B, C, D, and E. Kasi ma-confuse mo kung pare-parehaon na to ang name sa constant. So it would be much better if anaon nato siya. Okay? So, to solve this one, this is multiply nato siya with its x times x squared plus 2 squared. So that is 8 is equal to a times x squared plus 2 squared plus bx plus c times x times isa ka x squared plus 2 plus dx plus e times x. Okay? So if we are going to distribute, that's a is equal to ax to the power of 4 plus 4ax squared plus 4a plus bx to the power of 4 plus 2bx squared plus cx cubed plus 2cx plus dx squared plus ex. Okay? So dx squared plus ex. Yes. Okay, so good ta og butang og mga values. So at x raised to the power of 4. Sa ang value sa at x raised to the power of 4. So dire 0 siya kay wala man 8 lang man dira. Then dire you have a, b, and that's it. Okay? So that's for at x4. How about at x cubed? So at x cubed natay 0 gyapon sa pikas, and then dire nabatay x cubed na ata is equal to c. So 0 ang atong isa ka constant. So kani siya, yes. Tapos at x squared na punta. So x squared 0 gyapon. So 0 equals natay 4a plus 2b plus b. Okay? Then, at x to the power of 1. So, 0 gyapon dire. Dire wala. Na dire 2c plus e. And then, the last one is at x0 natay 8 dire sa pikas. Natay 4a. Ay, napadi ex na. Ano ba na ko yung e? Dire siya sa ex sa orange. Okay, so 4a lang ba? Okay, so therefore natin makuha na a is equal to 2 diri Okay, and then ano na siya? So a, so natay c. So a is, so at this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So at equation 1, using a is equal to 2, so 0 is equal to 2 plus b. So b natin is negative 2. Okay, like sa black. So natay b, na natay a, makuha na to si d. So at equation 2, so we have 0 equals 4 times a natin is 2 plus 2 times negative 2 plus d. So this is 8 minus 4 plus d. So 8 minus 4. So therefore our d is equal to negative 4. So natay a, b, and b. How about our c? Naputay 0. Okay, ang e na lang atong kulang. So e nato is at equation 3. At equation 3, unsa ato ang value? So at equation 3, 2c, 0 man. So 0, 0 lang pud nato c. Okay? So which makes our life simpler. So a over x, saan value sa a? 2 over x plus bx. So negative 2x plus 0. So that's over x squared plus 2. Okay? And then, ang c nato is 0 and b nato is d. Sa itong d. Sa d, itra. Minus 4x. Wala. Minus 4x plus 0. Ano na siya? Over x squared plus 2 squared dx. Okay? So, that's 2 dx over x minus 2 x dx over x squared plus 2 minus 4x dx over x squared plus 2 squared. Okay, so this is u 2x dx. So this is 2 dx over x minus 2x dx is du over u minus kanisha is x squared plus 2 squared. So u nato is x squared plus 2 du is 2x dx. So equals nato si 4. So x dx nato is d over 2. Tapos ang baba nato is u squared. Okay? So therefore this is 2 ln of x minus ln of u, which is x squared plus 2, minus 4 over 2, that's 2 du over u squared. Okay? Saka nato si u squared, that is plus c, so that's 2 ln of x minus ln of x squared plus 2 minus 2 integral of u negative 2 du plus c, kinanam tayo constant, no? That's 2 ln of x minus ln of x squared plus 2 minus 2, negative 2 plus 1. That's u negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. Simplifying, our final answer would be equal to plus 2 over u, or 2 over x squared plus 2 plus c. This is our final answer. Okay, so that's it for this video.